Each pack contains 50 cupcake liners. Color is only on outside of liners to ensure no color bleeds onto your cupcakes. Simply fill liner with desired amount and bake. Liners fit most average-sized muffin tins. Great for muffins, cupcakes, and more. Deck out your baked goods for when Santa Claus comes to town. Chef Craft's Santa Hat baking cups have a fun print that keeps the magic of Santa alive in your house. Each pack contains 50 cupcake liners. The color is only on the outside of the liners to ensure no color bleeds onto your cupcakes. Simply fill the liner with your desired amount and bake. The liners fit most average-sized muffin tins. Great for muffins, cupcakes, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic liners. They were perfect. I did a white cupcake in half and a chocolate in the other half, and you could still see the wrapper through both. I've purchased many fun cupcake liners before only to have them look horrible once you bake a cupcake in it. These didn't do that, and I was thoroughly impressed.